Hello everyone, welcome you all. This is Suresh from SDET Automation channel. Today in this session, I'm going to discuss about one of the Selectorshub tool, which is a testing daily, and we'll see about the testing daily in deeper today. And before we start, you might be wondering what is testing daily. It is something a new word which came into picture. So what is it? So testing daily is a guide or a reference for QA testers who are searching for different various topics on different tools, topics, blogs, and all this in a single page. So this is the testing daily which help you to serve all this purpose. This is available in desktop version like a browser extension, and you can open a browser URL as well. And you have a mobile app which is an Android and iOS apps. So you can install in your mobile devices and you can start using this testing daily. Let me open this testing daily link. So as soon as you click on that button, it will open a new page. And here you have some quick references links you can see. And there are video tutorials, so which was prepared by Sanjay, who is a creator of this tool. And you can refer to those in case if you wanted to see more deeper related to the testing daily. And once you scroll down little, you will see a browser app. So this is a browser link, and you also see it is available for mobiles like Android, iPhone, and extensions to the browsers like Chrome, Safari, Opera. So all this you have, and once you open this link, this will take you to the testing daily page. So this is a normal web page. So it is available in the browser extension as well. You can see here it is extension and a mobile device like installation from Google Store, App Store. So all this. So as soon as you land into the page, you can see the tutorials here, which tutorials which was recently published like yesterday or today. So those tutorials are automatically populated here in the My Feed section. You can see if you scroll down and see, you can find all the June 26th related tutorials where we have created one tutorial, even that is also coming up here as a feed. So these are the feeds, and you will see some options in the left section, but before that you will need to see a couple of options here. So if you see this one of the link here, and you have this option called arrow up. So this is like an voting kind. So once you click on this, if you are interested or if you like this content in the testing daily, like how you create a like and share button in the YouTube. Similar to that, you can do an upvote. So upvote gives uh, like a trending. If you wanted to make any topic trending, so everyone voted for one of the topic, and that topic will become a trending in the testing daily. And you have a comment section, or you can make a star section. So comment section is generally if you are liking the content or you have any questions, you can post the comment here. And the star is something like add to a bookmark. So you can quickly like a filtering, or you can say this is one of your favorites. So you can click that star mark. And you have a discovery section, discover, and you have a popular here. So which is like a trending topics. So you can see all the trending topics like this. And you have most upvoted, like we see right here we have a upvote. So you can click on upvote, but we need to log in into the application. So let me give a try with the login into the application and see. Uh, Crazy. I might forgot my password. I think, yep, I can log in back, and you can see the upvote section like a trending topic. So you can vote for any of the topic. Like here we have one short video. I can vote as an upvote to it. Like similar to that, you have a best discussions. So here you can see the discussions phase, and all the topics which were recently discussed, so those will be populated in this section. And you have a star mark right against this one of the topic. Like this is a topic I wanted to make a bookmark, so I can click on the star mark and it will turn or added in my bookmark section. So to access that, I can go into the bookmark section. But here you can see this is the one of the article, so I can read this article by clicking this. This will take me to the new page. So here you can see this is the article I wanted to see, which is routed from testing daily to here. And I can add the comment to it. And after reading it, you can close it. And I just made it as a bookmark, right? So I need to go into the bookmark section. I think it is not coming here. Maybe I'll refresh the screen. Yeah, here. So this is the bookmark, like I made that topic as a favorite, so it will display here. And similar to that, you have a customized option here. So customize option is from where you wanted to fetch this articles or a videos or YouTube's. So I don't want to get an articles from one of the top area, like anything that you wanted to limit to display in your screen. You can just go and uncheck those options. It will not give the contents related to that particular forum. So as it is a defaultly all selected, you can also uncheck any options. You have this other settings where it will show you Google search. So within this testing daily, it will provide you a Google search option as well. So that you can utilize that option within this. And also, I must tell you this one of the topic. So here in the My Feed section, we have one option called Search in Feeds. So let me give a try and with one of my channel. So I wanted to search the contents related to this my channel. So you can see there are the contents which are being published recently. All those topics are coming here. Likewise, if you are a favorite to any of the content creator, you can go and search and you can get the topics related to that content creator. So this is one of the handy option which is available in the testing daily. And you have some support. So under support you have a tutorials. So in case like I told, right, if you wanted to go deeper into the testing daily, so you can refer to the tutorials and you can accordingly utilize this tool. And you have a suggestions option. So if you have any suggestions to provide, or you wanted to say something went wrong, or which you are keenly working, or you are learning something and suddenly it is not working, so you can raise a ticket for it. And you can invite the people from here, and you can add a review and contact us and donate. So all these options are self-explanatory, right? So you can use it. And now I am using this as an browser URL, but I wanted to add this as an extension. So to add extension, you can go to this add browser, add to the browser. Now I'm in the Chrome browser, so that is the reason it is giving me a Chrome extension. So in case if you are in other browsers, you can also click the option similar to it, or just go and check this option. It will take you to the extensions page. You can install the extension page. So as soon as I click on add extension, it is added to my extension. So you can see here, this page is was changed by the testing daily. So testers homepage extension. So there's another name mentioned here. It's a testers homepage. Like every content that we are referring here is with respect to the testing. So it is very apt title for it, right? I can change it back or keep it. So you can use this both options. Let me just keep it. And if I open a new tab, I will see this homepage. So generally in any tab that you open, right, it will be a blank or it will be a theme based. But when you make it as a testers home page, it will make this complete page as your new tab. And you can also pause this option. Like now I just install this extension and I need to pause this. Like every time I open a new tab, it is opening this testing daily. And sometimes I might need to work on different activities or different stuff. I don't want to see this or disturbed by this. So for that, you have an option here, manage. You have a pause new tab. So you can pause for 5 minutes, you can pause for 1 hour, you can pause for 2 hours, you can pause for until tomorrow. So that is based on your work time. So I just make it as 5 minutes now and it is saved. So new tab is paused now. So when I open the new tab, you can see there is nothing here. So this is one of the handy option again. So whenever you have working hours, you can set that working hours here. And after that working hours, whenever you open a new tab, this will make you a habit of seeing the testing related contents. Like generally, whenever you open the tab, it will take you to the Google search your site. You search for something and you see something, and you at the end of the day you will get nothing. I'm just kidding here. So this option will help you to focus on the testing contents when you're learning. So that is what the intention of Sanjay. So it's a good try from Sanjay too. I hope this session is helpful for you. In case if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel for latest contents. And if you have any queries, do post in my comment section. I will help you out. Thank you for watching.